The purpose of this video is to show you how to use the percentage calculator for the Titanic dataset assignment. Last time we used the Titanic dataset and we filtered to get these values. We also used the random passenger generator, and I have them both open. I have my random passenger generator, but I really don't need that anymore. But I still have my copy of the Titanic data. If your copy is filtered, and you can tell it's filtered because of these little filters, you kind of want to unfilter it right now so that you can start with fresh data. So I've unfiltered it, but then I want to filter it again. And now it's fresh data. Everybody should be represented in here. And I want to change this from count, to count, from sum to count. And let's see, right here, I have 1,310 minus 1, 1,309. That's perfect. So now I've finished my column. I want to go to the percentage calculator. So I'm going to click this, right click, and I'm going to open in a new tab. Now this is, got to make a copy of it. This is really a very simple little spreadsheet. Total means the total number. This is exactly like a fraction. Partial means what part of this total. So if I had 1,309 people, the total of the Titanic, it would tell me that only 2% of it, because 1,309 equals 100%, but 23 people equals 2%. So let's say I wanted to make this 1,000. Let's find out how much that is. That's 76%. So you can see it's pretty straightforward. The formula for this, if you click it right here, it will show you C3, which is this, times D4, which is this, divided by C4, which is that. That's a pretty standard calculation for a ratio. So now I'm going to come over here. The total in the ship, that was 1,309. Total in first class. I think we got that the last time, and that was 323. So I can use that same data. 323. What I don't know is second class. So I come up here, and I'm going to click here, deselect 1 and 3, press OK, and now I am going to do the count. 278 minus 1, 277. 277. And I'm going to do the same thing for third class. And I'm going to count 710 minus 1, 709. 709. Okay. So now we're going to find out how many in the total ship died, survived, and what percentage. So I come up here to the Titanic data. I want to make sure I have both classes plus third class added, and then survived. So I'll get rid of the 0. Do the count. 501 minus 1. I want to make sure I have them all done. Just for a good measure, I'm going to make sure that I've filtered this correctly. Then I'm going to filter again, and I want all classes, and I want survived. And 501, I was correct. So 500. Now I'm going to find out how many, the percentage that died. So I'm going to come here. 1,309, the partial was 500. 38% survived. Oh, 38% died. That sounds a little low. Maybe I did that wrong. Let's go back and check. Oh, I had survived, so let me fix that. Survived, 500. Get rid of that. And then 38 right here. And get rid of that. So let's find out how many, what percentage actually died. Come back over here. Oops, wrong one. Go to 0, deselect, and then I find out what the count is. The count is 810 minus 1, 809. 809. And we'll find out the percentage. 809. 62%. And that's kind of interesting because 38 plus 62 equals 100. 62%. And that's how you do it. You can do the rest for the first class, second class, and third class. Make sure you share with me.